Your camera and tell me who is on the screen.
Sure, let me take a photo and see who is on the screen. It looks like Spider-Man is on the screen. He is in his classic red and blue suit, ready for action. Cool, right?
Okay, go to sleep.
Sure, I'll step back.
In this video, we are going to take the UNIHIKER K10 and set it up from scratch. So let's unbox it. So this is the UNIHIKER K10. And this board is based on ESP32S3. It also gives Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. So let's pair it and see what happens. Welcome to Altium. This video is proudly sponsored by Altium. If you are serious about PCB design, Altium Designer gives you everything you need. PCB layout to powerful 3D visualization, all in one professional environment. If you are a student looking to build professional PCB design skills, this is an incredible opportunity. You get free access to Altium Designer hands-on PCB design courses, a cloud workspace, and you can obtain an industry-recognized certificate to showcase your skills. Altium Student Lab gives you the professional tools used across the electronics industry. There is a list of courses on the website that you can review. Sign up for free using the link in the description. Before starting the setup, I want to quickly show you the official UNIHIKER documentation. It contains tutorials, examples, and tools such as MindPlus and programming with Arduino IDE. You can also go through them if you want. But today we are going to do something a little different. We are going to connect K10 to Zauji, which allow the device to communicate with an LLM. And this is what we are going to build. Download the firmware and flash download file on your PC. And this all are the steps that we have to follow to use the voiceover. Let's download and see. You can extract the file from here and open the flash download tool. Select ESP32S3 and click on OK. Select the firmware file and select the correct communication port. Make sure the board is detected and click on Start. Once the process reach finish, the firmware successfully written. So now let's do the Wi-Fi configuration. Connect PC to that hotspot and open the configuration page. Select the network and enter the Wi-Fi password and then connect it. Now we have to move to the Zauji website. Log in your device here by entering the code. And the device is shown here. From here you can control your device behavior and also check the history. In configuring AI's role, you can configure how you want assistant to behave. You can select languages from here and also the voice to be male or female. Okay, now let's test it. Hi there.
हाय, क्या हाल है? कैसे मदद कर सकता हूँ?
Can you speak in English?
Yes, I can speak in English. How can I help you today?
Okay, how are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Okay, play a song.
Sure, I can play a song for you. What kind of music are you in the mood for? Like pop, rock, or something else?
Pop.
I think you meant pop music. I'll find a pop song for you. Let me search for one. I found a pop song for you. Let's play Hearts in Jacintia. Binary Heartbeat. Now.
Open your camera and tell me who is on the screen.
Sure, let me take a photo and see who is on the screen. It looks like Spider-Man is on the screen. He is in his classic red and blue suit, ready for action. Cool, right?
Okay, go to sleep.